Hi, my name is Krishna and I'm from American High, and my project is the phone-controlled robot arm. I chose it because it combines software components like coding in Arduino and a Bluetooth module, alongside mechanical components like 3D parts and servos and an Arduino. So basically, the project works by controlling it with a wired controller using two thumbsticks. Based on the movement of the thumbsticks, you can move the robot at any of these joints seen on the blue servos over here, and one servo underneath the base. Basically, the Arduino has basic uploaded code, consisted mostly of functions for every movement at each of these joints. There's an if statement in each of these functions, based on the angle of the thumbstick. And at the end of the code, there's a loop that performs each of these functions every time, meaning via these wired connectors connected to the servos and the Arduino, that every time the robot's on, it basically checks every movement of the thumbstick and then performs those functions if the thumbstick's moved. So based on the angle of the thumbstick, it moves the robot at each joint. So for vertical left, it moves the robot up and down. For vertical right, it moves the robot's claws and extends them or closes them. For horizontal right, it records and performs movements with a beep. And then for horizontal left, it moves the robot right and left. So a few challenges I faced with this project were trying to find a power source, especially since we didn't have the batteries required in the kit. Basically, I had to hook up a bunch of wired pin connectors to a 9-volt battery pin and solder them together, and then connect the 9-volt battery. But I need a more secure power source. Another challenge I faced was trying to install the servos. Initially, I didn't rotate them 90 degrees, which you need to do before installation, which is why they weren't working well. Next is my second milestone, in which I'm going to be integrating an app instead of the wired controller. That way I can control it from my phone.